This video provides a step-by-step guides on how to register for the Cybershield Innovators training program. The registration process consists of 2 stages: form submission and enrollment. Let's start with the stage 1, form submission. Visit www.csinnovator.com. Explore the website to learn more about the program and its details. Then click the Join Now or Sign Up button. You will be directed to the Application 1 form. Enter all the required details, including a valid Gmail address, your full name, and password. Ensure you complete the security check as well. After submitting the form, you will receive an email with a verification link. Check your inbox for this email. If you don't see it, check your spam folder as well. Click on the verification link, which will direct you to the CS Innovator website's login page. Use your Gmail address and password to log in. After logging in, you will be directed to the Application 2 form. Fill in all the necessary details, and once completed, click Create Profile to finalize this step. And that concludes Stage 1, Form Submission. Stage 2, Enrollment. You can access your dashboard either from the top right corner of your screen under your name or from the left panel, which includes 3 main buttons: Dashboard, Courses, and Sign Out. On the main screen, you will find the Explore Courses button. The Cybershield Innovators training program spans 80 hours of content divided into 7 sections. Each section has a title, training hours, descriptions, and objectives. For more details, you can visit the website and explore this content. Sections will be activated according to the training schedule plan. In your dashboard, clicking Explore Courses will allow you to view which section is currently active. If you have not enrolled in any section yet, you will see a green Enroll button. Clicking it will turn the button gray color, indicating that the training videos for this section are now available. Use the top right button under your name to access your dashboard and check the training content videos. Depending on the training hours for the section, video content will be available lesson by lesson. You can navigate back to other available sections by clicking Courses button on the left panel. This will display courses you are enrolled in and those open for enrollment. You can enroll once a course is open. Back on your main dashboard, the sections you are enrolled in are clearly available. You can easily switch between sections and review their training materials as per your convenience. To watch a lesson's training content video, you would see the lesson name and description. Each lesson begins with an introduction to the instructor, followed by the lesson outlines and the main content. After taking notes for discussion with the instructor during a streaming session and also completing the content, you can mark the lesson as completed. Your progress bar will reflect the number of lessons completed in each section. The Cybershield Innovators training program is designed for excellence and quality, allowing you to learn everything about cybersecurity and its fundamentals at your convenience. Join us today.